To fix Windows 11 Start menu not working, on your keyboard press and hold Ctrl Shift and Escape key to open Task Manager. Then scroll it down to find Windows Explorer. If you cannot find Windows Explorer in here, then click on Name to see Windows Explorer. Right click on it and select Restart. Wait about 10 seconds. Then open the Start menu and check if that helps you to fix your problem. If it's still not working, then click on Details, and here we need to find Start Menu Experience Host Process. To find it, click in Search of Task Manager, type Start. Here you can see the process. Right click on it and select End Task. To confirm it, click End Process. Don't worry about it, Windows will start it automatically. Afterward, test your Start menu and hopefully this will fix your issue. If you still need help, leave your comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page.